Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, what's good? Thank you for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'll be doing a roast session with myself. Like, I need to know how to start taking risks in these streets. So I'll be designing. You know I struggle. If you see my videos, go check them out. If you see my videos where I always talking like, Lord have mercy, I'm not artistic enough, I can't do, like literally I can't do, and I'll come out of my comfort zone. But I guess you guys don't see that part where I start struggling and I don't want to continue the video, but then I have to continue the video, so I have to start taking risk in these streets. I can't be basic, period. I can't really be basic because nobody wants basic nails these days. They want bling, they want design, and I can't do most of those stuff. I like basic nails, I like simple nails, but as a nail tech, as a beautician, as a nail technician, as a beauty provider, I need to know how to be artistic on the nails, artistic on the face, artistic wherever. I just need to know how to be artistic, and that's one of my main focus of this year. And I think one of the reasons why I started a YouTube channel is to force myself to do things that I will never do. Like, I would have clients who will come in and like they want design, and I was like, I know how to do basic polish. I can do one and two, dotting stuff, but like to draw, no, that's not me. I was not cut out for that. That was not God's plan for me. But it's a new age. Persons are elevating, leveling up. They don't want no basic stuff anymore, even if it's basic but simple but classy. It's still they don't want no simple polish. They want something on one of the fingers, and I need to know how to do so. Without further ado, stop with the rambling. Let me start roasting myself. So right here, honey, I polished my nails. I polished my client nails, and I was like, yes. After the 100th polish on these nails, I let them to dry. I leave them to dry, and then I decided, okay, what's my plan of action? I'm going to do the ring finger a different style, and then I'm going to do the index a different style. Honey, listen. Look at me. I said the sponging wasn't working out because honey, this is where I get in life. Like, when I realize that something is not working out, honey, listen, I decided, so like, okay, I'm not going to prolong this anymore. I'm going to do what I gotta do and hurry up. But guys, would you sit, you as my client, would you sit and allow me to do such work on your fingers? Trust me. Answer me. I'm sure you wouldn't. I wouldn't even sit to let somebody do that to me, unless I'm going to see where they're going with it. But guys, it was a hot mess. Hot mess. And then I proceeded to do blossom roll with polish. By the way, guys, I'm using regular polish in my videos. I have not leveled up just yet. Soon to level up, so don't come for me, please. I'm going to get with it eventually. So I decided to do some blossom roll with regular nail polish. I just wanted to attempt it. Like, with my videos on my channel, it's a type of attempting, this is a hit or a miss type of videos. Can regular nail polish do this? I try to make others feel comfortable who can't yet afford this type of stuff. But yes guys, I'm getting with it. It's a surprise, so I'm not going to let you know any more information about this, so stay tuned for that video. So I did my attempt of blossom rose. I didn't know, I don't know, you be the judge. Did I succeed? Was it a hit or a miss? Because guys, listen, this is where I get, demotivated. I get like, okay, let me just continue with this video because I need to push myself. I need to be stepping out in these streets. But at the end of the day, these nails weren't actually that bad. But like, when it comes down to designing, good God, this is not my talent whatsoever. Only with me, I like to do multiple, despite the fact that I'm not into the nail art, being artistic. I'm not going to say that I'm not into the nail art business. I'm just not artistic, So I did a French tip, guys. Look at those lines. Look at those lines. It was a hot mess. I don't know what is wrong with me, but guys, as I said, it's all about taking risks. It's all about constructive criticism. But anyways guys, I got some jewelry. I wanted to bling it. My attempt to bling nails. I don't do this on a regular, guys. By the way, let me just give you a heads up, I don't do this. And then I proceeded to top coat. I think this video was mostly, this voice note was mostly about, a pep talk. I don't think I did roast myself. That girl don't know how to roast herself, but I hope somebody will, take what I'm saying and run with it, because girl, let me tell you, you are not going to get this at your very first try. And if you do get this at your very first try, it's a buck up, because I'm sure for the next round you're not going to do as good as you did before, or you thought you did before. Because I thought that I did, awesome work. I never fail. That's my thought. That's what I usually think. But guys, as always, thank you so very much for watching my videos, and I hope what I said in my videos contribute to your life in the nail world. And if you're a regular supporter, you're not interested in doing nails, but you like nails, thank you for watching. It's that time where I call it quits until the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye.